Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer, guys, here from Jacksonville, Florida. And I did entitle this video today on how to automate sales and signups in Manychat using a course called Messenger Domination. Now, this is like fresh off the market, this course, so I wanted to review this with you. Not too long ago, just got off the training webinar that the guys and gals over at MLSP just did, and they just released a new product. And this is all around Facebook Messenger and ManyChat, and showing you how you can actually use it to grow your business. Now, before I do go to the course, I do want to remind you that if you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Also, click that little link, that little bell on the right there, so that you're subscribed and notified of any new videos that I do put out. So, so again, how to automate sales and signups in ManyChat. Again, Manychat is a powerful new program or software that you can use to grow your business almost automatically using your Facebook Messenger. So let me kind of just tell you about this course and how and go through it real quickly. As always, I will leave a link at the bottom of this video that you can go ahead and look at the course yourself and find out all the details. But we'll get a quick review, and then I will let you guys go. So here it is. This is the course that the guys and gals over at MLSP just released, called Messenger Bot. As you can see here, it says finally get a Messenger Bot in place to rake in as many as 15 plus automated sales in a single week on complete autopilot. Now, this course was just released, so there's some fast action bonuses that are actually going to be around for the next 30 minutes or so. If you don't, if you don't see these by the time you're watching this video, then they're no longer available. But the value in this course will definitely help you get to where you need to. Now, I will tell you that there is a cost for the course, of course. There's a limited time special where you can actually get the course in full for $297, or you can get it in 3 payments of $117. Also, there is an option that if you don't have an account with MLSP, you can actually try out an account for free if you click that little button there. So I just want to kind of go down with the content of the course, basically who this is for, which I think is very important. So this is for if you never made any money in your business before, if you've got a small team of customers and reps that earning a few $1,000s per month, or if you've built a booming 6 or even 7-figure business and you're just looking for the next level, this is a pretty good solution here using that. A couple of testimonials from my good friend Diane Hoffman. As she says, when I first heard about messenger bots, I was excited about on my mind what they could do, but the technical work got me hung up, and I didn't do anything with them for over a year until I met Antonio Thompson. I watched him break it down, make it easy. Now I'm ready to clean up my marketing in a whole new way. Antonio is the best. So let's go through just the modules and show you what you will get with this course. And I'm going to go down here, and I it's portion 2, so I kind of go over that with you. And again, you can watch all of these at the link that I put at the bottom of the video. And it's such a what if. What if there's a way that you could only talk to people who come to you and were actually interested in joining your business or buying your products? You know, what if you could get leads, pre-qualify them on autopilot, and speak only to those people who already want and need what you have? And what if you never need to write a blog post or record a YouTube video? No, I like YouTube, so you guys are watching the YouTube video ever again to get leads. I think I'm going to continue to do my YouTube videos, guys. And if you're doing YouTube and you love YouTube, continue to do YouTube videos. So this is the actual course it is. It's called Messenger Domination. It's the course here. So kind of go with you for module 1. What you get in module 1 is messaging marketing principles. You get an understanding of why messenger marketing is going to be a part of your market strategy from this day forward, or why it should be. Messenger marketing is the future of online marketing. That's module 1. Module 2, you're going to go over creating your messenger strategy. Module 3, setting up Manychat. Module 4, writing engaging copy. Module 5, creating flows in Manychat. Module 6, growing your subscribers in Manychat Part 1. Module 7, growing subscribers Part 2. And Module 8, increasing engagement in Manychat. And Module 9, optimizing your messenger bot for better results and advanced Manychat features. So again, guys, this course is available if you do want to learn how to use Manychat to grow your business. The guys and gals over at MLSP always put out quality products for entrepreneurs like myself and you to really grow our business and to take it to the next level, and to provide us with the tools and resources to help us do that. So again, this course, it is 3 payments of $117, or you can get the best deal and buy it for $297. Guys, I will leave a link at the bottom. Here's some more testimonials, but you can go through this yourself as you click the link at the very bottom there. Also, too, these fast action bonuses, I can't promise you, if you're watching this video, after the 7th of November, that these will be available, but they are available now if you're watching it before that deadline. Fast action bonus number 1, what you will get is that you'll get a live 4-week messenger marketing information workshop, question and answer, which is pretty cool. Bonus number 1 in the course is that you're going to get a 25-page workbook that shows you kind of different fill-in-the-blank templates, links to all the photos, graphics, GIFs that you need to build an engaging, what they call bot. That's messenger marketing, Facebook marketing, Manychat stuff. But the course is going to go more into detail about it. Again, bonus number 2, you're going to get messenger Manychat case studies, people that have had many successful experiences setting up the chats and growing the business with Facebook Messenger and Manychat. Bonus number 3, where you can collect email and Manychat subscribers in one step. So if you have a list, like I do, I have an AWeber list. This is great because I can still go on my AWeber list as well as grow my subscribers with Manychat as well. And bonus number 4, you can recreate your email campaign and sales funnel in Manychat. Bonus number 5, create Facebook ads directly inside Manychat. Bonus 6, a private Facebook group that you can interact with other members that buy this course. So guys, that's it for you. Like I said, I have this channel here because I want to provide home business entrepreneurs with tools, resources to help you grow your business as well. Things that I find that I think will be benefit to you. I cut quick videos on this so that you can see what's available to help you grow your business. And that's what this channel is all about. This channel is all about entrepreneurship. It's all about, providing you with tools and resources to help you build your business. It's about showing you ways that you can earn money in life. It's about inspiring you to really build your business, really go after your dreams and goals, and really get to the place where you want to be in your life through using your business as a vehicle. So whether you're in network marketing, internet marketing, affiliate marketing, or just want to learn how to make money online, this is a channel for you. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I do hope you take advantage of this tool that is there to help you grow your business. So this is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer. I do wish you guys all the best, and I will see you on the next video. And God bless. Peace.